Hi friends, welcome back to Mass Training. Today I will teach you how to remove grid lines of the part of the sheet. Normally, once we remove grid line, entire sheet grid line is off. This is my Excel worksheet. I'll show you. We go to View tab and there's an options called Grid Lines checkbox. Once you click that, check off that, the entire grid lines of the current sheet is off now. My topic is how to remove grid lines of the selected part of the sheet. The part of the sheet. Say example, I want to remove grid lines of this portions only, not the entire. Once you go to View tab and check off the grid line buttons, options, it removes entire in the current sheet entire grid lines. So I'll show you. I just first select a portion of the sheet. Say I want to remove grid lines of this part only, not the entire part. So first you need to select the portions to be removed and then go to Home tab. In Home tab we have, this is under font sections, we have one back color, fill color. This is to change font color. So first you select the portions where you want to remove the grid lines, then go to Home tab. Under Home tab we have fill color. Under font section, go to fill color, and here we have one white, the first one, you can say, on the first row. Just click on this. Indirectly we are applying white color to these cells, but my purpose is solved. We wanted to remove grid lines of these selected parts. Okay, I just recap this. First you select the portions part of the sheet and then go to Home tab. Under Home tab we have font section. In font section we have fill color, how to apply back color of the cell. There we have one white color, the first one. Just click on that. Now you see grid lines of these cells are off now. So please, thanks for watching this video. Please wait for new video shortly. I am trying to post some short, very important tricks and tips of Excel in coming video. Thank you very much for watching.